Hi, boys and girls. We are back to learn 2 more words from our Set 3 sight words. And guess what? These are the last 2 words in the entire set. We have learned all of Set 3. You guys have been working so hard at these. So let's review the ones that we have already learned, okay? We're going to read, spell, and then read the word again. Here we go. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. Let me move this down just a smidge. There we go. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. For. F-O-R. For. Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. We got stuff going on over here. There we go. People. P-E-O-P-L-E. People. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Be. B-E. Make. M-A-K-E. Make. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. From. F-R-O-M. From. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Your. Y-O-U-R. Your. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Should. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. And then we're back to were. Our last 2 sight words for this set, one of them is really tricky, one of them is a little tricky. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the one that's a little bit tricky. Okay, it's not necessarily a rule breaker, but you do have to be careful of this middle vowel sound. This word is both. B-O-T-H. Both. There's that T-H on the end. Both. Like, I would like to have both a sandwich and some soup. Or I want both a sandwich and some chips. Both usually means you want 2 of something. Okay, so pause the video. Think of a sentence using the word both. Okay, if I'm writing the word both in my journal, I'm going to start with my beginning sound, of course. B. Make sure you're making your B the correct way. The bat hits the ball right there. B-O-O. There's my O. I can hear that O sound. Both. You have to know that one. The 2 letters that make T-H. Both. Both. If I used that Flippy the Dolphin and changed that vowel sound, it would be b-ah, bath. Bath. That's not even a word, unless it's like fancy. I'm going to take a bath. It's not what I'm talking about here. Both. Okay? And that kind of does it for both. That's kind of an easy one. You're just going to have to practice. B-O-T-H, both. The next one is a little bit more tricky. Does. This is does. D-O-E-S. Does. Do you see another word hiding in this word does? There's a couple smaller words in here. You may see it. Look closely. It is do. Like I will do that later, or I will do that now. Okay? But if we add the ES, it says does. He does want to do that now. He does want to run as fast as he can. Okay, pause the video and think of a word with does, or a sentence with the word does in it. Okay, now if we're going to practice spelling the word does, I'm going to start with my word do. Let's just sound it out and write it out the way it would sound, because this is a rule breaker. This does not follow the rules. I still do hear the duh at the beginning. Okay, it's not a B, it's a D, so try not to get that switched. We're going to do the circle first. D, a U makes the sound. Does. If I sounded it out, it would look like this, does. But that doesn't look right, does it? Nope. That does not look right. The beginning sound is going to stay the same, but we know that vowels and ending sounds can be kind of tricky. So, d. I'm going to go ahead and write do, because I know the word do is inside of the word does. And then you're just going to have to remember that does has an E and an S after that word do. Does. Okay? D-O-E-S. Does. It's a tricky one, tricky word. And that, boys and girls, ends our Set 3 sight word list. Let's look at these new words one more time. Both. B-O-T-H. Both. And does. D-O-E-S. Does. So the rest of this week and next week, we are going to practice Set 3, but we're also going to go back and practice all the words we've learned all the way up to these last two, both and does. Okay, I'll have some games that we can play, and we'll do some races, practice writing the words, practice spelling the words. So keep practicing. Look for them in the books that you're reading, because they are sight words or popcorn words. They just pop up everywhere. Keep reading the books, the sight word books that I put up for you and I to read, your leveled books, and you will learn those in no time, and they will help you become better and better and better at reading. I'm so proud of all your hard work and all the words and things that you've learned so far this year. All right, keep practicing, everybody. Bye.